In this video, I will show you how to fix the package installer keeps stopping problem on Android devices. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will bring up the Quick Settings menu. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on it to open your device's settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you see Apps. Tap on that option. In the Apps section, look for an icon that allows you to filter and sort apps. Tap on it. Now, toggle on the switch next to Show System Apps. This is crucial because Package Installer is a system application. After enabling this option, confirm by tapping OK. With System Apps now visible, tap on the search button located at the top right corner of your screen. Type in Package Installer and hit Search. Select Package Installer from the search results that appear. Once inside the Package Installer settings, scroll down a bit until you see an option labeled Storage. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see an option for Clear Data. Tap that button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting data. Confirm by tapping Delete. After clearing data for Package Installer, it's time to restart your device. Simply hold down the power button and select Restart. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.